Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru Forester. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are properly adjusted for a clear view of your surroundings. Take a moment to locate essential controls like headlights, wipers, and climate settings. Also, get comfortable with the steering wheel buttons for audio and cruise control. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. The Subaru Forester offers excellent versatility. Engage X mode when you encounter slippery surfaces or steep inclines. It optimizes engine output and transmission for maximum traction. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides constant power to all four wheels, enhancing stability and control in various conditions. Remember to practice gentle acceleration and braking to improve your fuel economy and overall driving smoothness. Your Forester is equipped with advanced safety features. EyeSight driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking, helps prevent accidents. When parking, use your rearview camera and side mirrors to guide you into spaces. Practice makes perfect for both parallel and reverse parking. Always maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, allowing ample time to react to sudden stops. To keep your Subaru Forester running smoothly, adhere to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks are essential for longevity. Always check your tire pressure monthly. Proper inflation improves handling and fuel efficiency. For more great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Forester.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.